They say knowledge is power, but you need the wisdom to understand what this actually means. Welcome to the Decoding Health podcast. I am your host, Dr. Urban A. Kiernan. Each week, we will share the stage with renowned experts as we dismantle the black box of knowledge and unravel the complexities of science and its practical applications in our daily life. This show is committed to illuminating topics ranging from personal health and wellness to cutting-edge biopharmaceutical advancements and beyond. Let's get started. Okay, Decoding Health podcast fans, we're back. Yes, Dr. Urban here with you. Really excited. We've just rebranded the Decoding Health podcast with Dr. Urban A. Kiernan, and we are now here on YouTube again, here to bring forward all of the great information that you guys were previously seeing, but just with a little added twist, new light, new guests, a little bit of a new format and stuff, but regardless, same general content and information that we were doing before. Again, the whole premise of the Decoding Health podcast, the point of knowledge is action, not knowledge. That's a quote from Aristotle, and that's what we're going to be bringing to you guys each and every week. So we're going to be bringing forward new content as well as re-releasing our old content that you guys saw before. Make sure you tell your friends, like, subscribe, bring forward your comments because I've really missed interacting with my YouTube community. You guys are awesome and just really excited about being back on this channel to go and share each and every one of you very specific pieces of information that you can pick and choose like a salad bar, pick what you want, leave the rest, and just be able to go and pick out what you want from the in order to better and empower you to be the best version of you. So just in case you didn't catch us before, this is the first time seeing us, Decoding Health podcast. Again, Dr. Urban A. Kiernan, I'm a serial biotech entrepreneur. I started off my work in the biomarker pre and type 2 diabetes space, even though I have issues with that term pre-diabetes, which I expound upon on this podcast. I am an NIH-funded scientist. I own my own drug discovery and development company. But even though I own my own drug company, I am firmly set on never ever becoming a customer. So I take my personal health and wellness very, very seriously. And so we're able to go and have great discussions with world's leading experts when it comes to hardcore science, to metabolic health. We've got registered dietitians. We talk about peptides, hormone replacement therapy, exercise physiology, chiropractic, the whole 9 yards, because I firmly believe that in order to be a complete human being, you need a strong body, mind, and spirit. If you're missing one of those 3 pillars, then you're not a complete human being. So again, just we're bringing back everything that we did before and just really looking forward to each and every week, either having solo episodes where I'm just able to go and bring information to you, or longer episodes in which we've got a high profile guest bringing forward about an hour's worth of content for you just to go and hopefully entertain you, but at the same token, do provide a little bit of knowledge that you can take home and help be able to improve your life. Are you sick and tired of feeling sick and tired, want to reclaim your metabolic health, but you really don't have the time or the ability to eat as clean as you would like or spend hours in the gym? Well, here's a new biohack that I've implemented as a part of my life. Just by including these 2 products as a part of my daily routine, I am able to achieve my health and fitness goals by doing nothing. Protocol is all natural, it's simple, comes with a money-back guarantee. If this is something that is of interest to you, click on the link below and let's learn how to feel great together. With that said, I don't want to belabor this rebranding introduction a little bit too much, but again, the producers here at PS Creative Studios, and myself, we've been, opining on this for quite a while as to how we're going to go and do this relaunch and rebrand. If you guys follow me on social media, you guys are very familiar with the whole backstory of what happened. But, regardless, I've been working on strategies on, how do we turn around and bring this voice forward on this channel just so that you get the knowledge and are entertained at the exact same time. So again, really excited to be here and really want to engage with each and every one of you. With that said, since this is the launch episode for the show, if you guys have any topics that and especially if you guys were subscribers before, if there are any topics that you want me to specifically cover, drop them down below. I'm not gonna shy away from anything, and if this is brand new and, this is something that, and you have a topic you want covered and we've already have an episode that we're gonna be relaunching as a part of this rebrand, then by all means, I will let you know and, just stay tuned and we will eventually get to that particular piece of content, showing up in your inbox. So, with that, just really happy to be here. Kind of sound like a broken record, but nonetheless, I'm really looking forward to rebuilding the decoding health community and getting some great insights regarding what you guys are finding as value so that each and every one of you can be the best version of yourself possible. And so again, I know PS Creative excited that we're coming back here. I'm excited regarding this. Hope you guys are excited as well, and we'll just take this all step by step. Be patient regarding the episodes all coming out, but again, share share with your ecosystems, like, comment. I always do my best in terms of getting back to all of my audience members and just really looking forward at everything. So we'll talk to you soon.